Hey Bulldogs! This nonfiction selection is called Footprints Across the Planet by Jennifer Swanson. Footprints come in all shapes and sizes, colors, and species. Some are large and deep, strong and purposeful. Others are small and shallow, barely leaving any imprint at all. Some have toes, while others have hooves, paws, claws, or talons. Footprints can be difficult to spot. Or seem so common we barely notice them at all. Footprints are also as diverse as the people on the planet. They capture adventures at the greatest heights and deep under the sea. Footprints reveal our past and give us a glimpse of the future. Some footprints last forever, marking historic moments. Others disappear in an instant. Footprints represent people who stood up for change. And those who strive to follow them. They hint at new technology that could change how we live. While reminding us that our way of living impacts everything around us. Footprints can't always be seen, but are traces of ourselves left wherever we go and whatever we do. Every footprint leaves a mark on the earth, telling a story of the past, the present, or the future. What type of mark will you leave behind? I'm going to share some interesting facts with you. An elephant's footprints is 15 to 20 inches across. That's about 1.5 rulers wide. It's almost 4.5 feet in circumference, or about the size of 2 soccer balls next to each other. It can also indicate how old the elephant is. So you can kind of tell how old an elephant is by its footprint. The first human footprints on Mount Everest were made by Sir Edmund Hillary and his Nepalese guide Tenzing Norgay in May of 1953. Only 12 humans have left footprints on the moon. Since there's no precipitation or wind on the moon, they're still there to this day, many, many years later. A carbon footprint is calculated by the amount of carbon dioxide produced by the consumption of fossil fuel energy a person uses daily. You can calculate your own carbon footprint at this website. And finally, a digital footprint is all of the information about a person that is left behind from that person's online activity. It includes emails, searches, print, photo postings, and things like that. So everything you do on the computer also leaves a footprint. Things to think about. All right, have a great day, Bulldogs.